Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cheapest electric wheelchairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WISGING Folding Electric Wheelchair. Looking for an affordable electric wheelchair for your budget? This is one of the cheapest units that you will find great. The wheelchair is FDA approved and safe for aviation travel. Apart from this, it has been designed using quality and highly durable aluminum alloy chassis, which makes it both durable and lightweight. Due to the rugged construction, it supports up to 400 pounds. Hence a pick for all users. The large 2 rear wheels and 2 smaller front wheels ensure that it easily moves on different surfaces. More interestingly, the unit comes with 6Ah lithium-ion battery, which provides a longer runtime. To add more, the wheelchair is very comfy thanks to the soft padding seat and backrest. The handles are also padded to allow you to sit comfortably. It has a foldable design, which means that you can compactly fold and transport when needed. With the two 250W brushless motors, the wheelchair moves at a speed of 4 miles per hour and a range of 15.5 miles. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ephesus Portable Mobility Electric Wheelchair. Featuring 360-degree remote control, here is a user-friendly electric wheelchair that you can easily use and control. You can, therefore, regulate the speed and turn it on, off. Apart from this, it is a compact and foldable wheelchair that you can easily transport and store when needed. It has 8 inches front wheels and 13 inches rear wheels that easily move on all surfaces. The high-quality wheelchair is constructed from quality metallic frames, which means that it will last longer and support more weight. It is a comfy wheelchair that has breathable contoured backrest and seat. You can easily recline the seat for a better seating position. For excellent performances, it features 500W 24V motor and excellent braking system for a smooth and safe stop. At number 3, we have the Forcemech Ultra Portable Folding Power Wheelchair. The comfort level of an electric wheelchair should be a concern when looking for the perfect unit. Forcemech Ultra Portable Folding Power Wheelchair is a comfortable wheelchair thanks to the soft breathable cushions for both seat and backrest. Apart from this, it is a versatile wheelchair that you can use on all terrains due to the large wheels. They maneuver smoothly on all terrains. That said, it also serves longer due to the rugged construction from metal frames. This also makes it lightweight and portable. You can compactly fold the unit for transportation. The wheelchair is airplane travel approved and comes with a high-capacity built-in battery for a longer runtime. It is elementary to control, which means that you can make easy turns and regulate the speed using the hand joystick. At number 2, we have the Hoveround electric wheelchairs. Featuring an extra large 23 inches comfy seat, the wheelchair is a perfect pick for the adults. The seat also reclines to different positions, which makes it excellent for all users. In addition to this, it also has an adjustable backrest for added comfort. More interestingly, the wheelchair has a heavy-duty electric motor that brings about great speed and performances. It also features 4 wheels that easily maneuver on all terrains. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it is an excellent unit that you will find great for all users. The wheelchair provides a medical-grade quality and has a high-capacity battery, which allows it to move for up to 12 miles at a speed of 4 miles per hour. It is also elementary to control as you can switch it on and off plus regulate the speed for a smooth ride. And finally at number 1, we have the Sentire Med FCX Deluxe Electric Wheelchair. The construction of this electric wheelchair makes it a highly durable and comfy unit. It has been crafted from aircraft silver aluminum alloy for great strength. Again, it has contoured cushioned soft and breathable seat and backrest that will keep you comfy when riding. The motorized wheelchair has 2 250W motors that deliver great speed and power. In addition to this, it also has a long-lasting battery for longer mile coverage. The good news is that the unit is suited for use on all terrains thanks to the large wheels that easily maneuver. It also folds compactly to allow for convenient storage and portability. To keep you safe on the seat, it has a functional seatbelt that you can adjust to fit you. Lastly, it also has a footrest for added comfort. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.